For the ingredients, sliced cheese, 1/4 kilo of ground beef, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1/2 slice of white chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, lumpia wrapper, 15 pieces of green chili, and salt and pepper to taste. In a pan, put the cooking oil in a medium heat. Then saute the garlic and onion for about 1 minute. Then put the ground beef, and add the soy sauce, pinch of salt, and pepper. Then set aside after you cook it. Using the knife, cut the half of the green chili, then remove the seeds. Using the teaspoon. But if you're really a spicy lover, there's no need to remove everything inside. After, put the ground beef inside the green chili, and add 2 slices of cheese, or as many as you want. After you finish it, then wrap it in a lumpia wrapper. In a frying pan, put the cooking oil in a medium heat and let it boil before you put the wrapped chili. Cook it until it becomes golden brown. For the chili sauce, 1 spoon of mayonnaise, 1 spoon of ketchup, 1 spoon of all-purpose cream, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, salt and pepper to taste. In a bowl, mix all together the mayonnaise, the all-purpose cream, ketchup, sugar, pepper, and salt. Then mix it. This is the finished product of our chili bomb with sauce. Buon appetito!